Well, hello, happy Monday. New week, new company. We got something special for you. I am Tyson. Thank you for coming on in. I hope you guys enjoyed the Super Bowl last night. I still got my Chiefs flag up because I'm still celebrating the Super Bowl appearance. The Super Bowl appearance. So today we are kicking off a new company with this week. It's a company I've been wanting to try for a long time. It's a company I've had some product for a long time, and it's a company that's having an amazing deal right now. So I'm going to show you how they ship out their packages, give you my first impressions, and then on Friday we're going to come back. You're going to see the final score, the FRS score, and hopefully we'll have a good deal for you. So today, the company that we are digging into is here, Black Rebel Beer Company. And not only do I have this package, but I have another package, and then another package. So we're going to kick that off right now. I am Tyson with Faithfully Bearded. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and the bell, and turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. So I got 3 packages here from Black Rebel Beard Company, and I just want to dig into these. I'm going to try to make it quick for you guys. So I got my knife here. We're going to figure out all these slitting things, and we're going to slit this all open and get in here. Now, I've been super pumped. I ordered some of this stuff a long time ago because I'm just fascinated with emu oil, and they use emu oil. So I ordered a bunch a while ago, never got around to opening and reviewing it. He reached out this week, said, I got this awesome deal, the scent of the month thing. Would you mind checking it out? So I was like, well, of course I'll check it out. Let's do it. So he sent me out a box. So I got a whole bunch of stuff from Pedro here to try out. Some of it I purchased myself, some of it he sent me. So just for clarity up front. So here we go. This is the scent of the month box, I believe. So this is your presentation that you have here. You got this nice felt pouch stuff. You got, looks like a beard wash here, and then you have a beard butter right here, and then we have business cards and stickers. All right, cool. And then aubritures. So we'll get that out of here. Check out the sticker that comes in that. Pretty glossy and cool, yeah? And then you got mystery scent of the month. This is what it is, mystery scent of the month. Tells you what it is. I just gave it away. I think that's fine. I think that's fine. But this is for February 2020 Mystery Scent of the Month. So then you get this here. It looks like there's 3 oils in here. Let's see what we got. We got 3 oils, I believe. We got Scent of the Month in this black bottle. Scent of the Month in this frosted clear bottle with really hazy oil, which is the emu oil. And then a clear bottle here like this. So he's got 3 different lines of oils, and I'll give you more of these details on Friday when I actually have time to sit down and look at the ingredients, go through everything, and can break down his 3 lines, the pricing, and give you the full review. So you have like a normal line, you have a premium line, and then you got the top shelf line. And the top shelf line is what I'm really excited to get into, because this is like mostly emu oil. So let's just give this juniper pie a snifferoo here, shall we? Let's mix up this stuff here. And okay, that's a Swedish earthy scent. You can get the juniper in there. This is springy to me. This is springy. I like this. This kind of reminds me of fresh air, springtime. Then you have the butter here. So we'll take a look at this. Scent definitely isn't as strong in the butter, but it smells the same. You don't get any of the butter scents or anything like that. And then we got the wash. So let's take a look at this wash here. A little bit of that cleanly washing scent, but you still get the juniper pie out of it. So that's awesome. That's the scent of the month. That's a crazy thing. That's crazy. And I believe what you can do is you can go pick what you want, and then it's 50% off right now. So you can get like oil, butter, wash, something like that, and it's all 50% off. So it's a ridiculously good deal right now. But I want to dig into this box. Let's see what I have in this one. I don't know. We're going to just do a full company review. Instead of just Scent of the Month, we're going to go over the Scent of the Month program. That's going to be part of the review. But I really want to go over everything I have. So I have another butter in the coyote. So let's... Ooh, coyote. That's darn good. And then I got the Comanche. Comanche. No scent profiles on here, so I don't know what these exactly are. Oh, Comanche's tobacco. Woo! Yeah, tobacco. Gotta love me some tobacco. And then we got, oh man, I went all out, I guess, because I got 2 of the top shelf emo oils. The Comanche and the Coyote. Which one did I like? The Comanche? Let's smell this in the emo oil. Oh man, that is awesome. That is awesome. I love that. This one's different. The Coyote, it's different, but I really like it. I mean, it's just different. I haven't really smelled anything like that. And then I got the Coyote in a beard lotion. Oh man, I'm going to lotion up my beard. Beard lotion. And then we got a couple cards in here, a sticker in here, a felt pouch in here, and then the abertures. And then we have this bigger box. Oh yeah, we got another box, so I'm going to grab my knife. This is like Christmas. It's Beard Christmas coming on over here in the Faithful Studios. It is Beard Christmas. Beard Christmas over here. But it's only February. Oh yeah, let's pull this one open. What do we got? We got abertures. We got more abertures. We got 3 of these felt bags. We got a box of abertures. Okay, let's, ooh, look at this. It's like one of those ladies in LA with their little puppy head sticking out of their purse. But it's a beard wash, the Rambler. Oh my, this is a glass bottle. This is awesome. Like, don't drop this in the shower. Now, I'm telling you, like, and there's no joke with that. Like, this might break in the shower. It's glass. That is awesome. And in a pump, this is cool. This is like maybe one of the best washes I've ever seen. Oh, and that smells good. The Rambler. Holy cow, the Rambler is awesome. And Aubrey Chores stuff. More of that. Get out of here. Come on. You ain't no parrot. You don't even be sticking the Coyote. I already got the Coyote. Man, I ordered a lot of this top shelf stuff. Anybody want some top shelf emu oil? I got a whole boatload here. My goodness, I don't know what I did. What is this? I knew I ordered some special stuff, and that's why I was excited to get into it. Check it. You guys are... This is going on the display for sure. That's why I ordered it. Like, I have issues, like, turning down, like, special edition stuff or just stuff that looks unique. This is, like, his special thing that he does. He'll get you these bottles and then put a cork in it. Like, look at that. Like, how cool is that going to look sitting on the beard shelf? This is for display purposes only, I guess. I don't know. I don't even want to open it and smell it. I want to leave the cork in it, just look at it. This is the Comanche, so I do have this in oil right here that I can use, right? So, how cool is that? My goodness. Man, I got a whole boatload of stuff here to check out from Black Rebel. This is so cool. I am pumped. So join me on this ride this week, and we're going to come back to you on Friday with the review of all these goodies. I'm going to test them all out, get to know them, get to know the scents, come back to you. But in the meantime, if you want to join the Scent of the Month Club, you can go pick your items that you want. It's 50% off right now, so head on over. I'll have the link down in the description below, so feel free to check it out. If you guys have tried these, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of that emo oil, that top shelf, if you've tried it, because I got to get this. I got duplicates of a couple of them, so I'm going to send them to somebody. So we need to have some sort of contest down in the comments or something. I don't know. Come up with some ideas. We'll figure it out. We'll roll the dice. We'll just pick a random comment picker, something like that. So until I talk to you guys again soon, check out the website. Where should I put this on the beard shelf? Let me know. Is this a top shelf item? Is this an in-camera item? I don't know. You guys decide. You get to pick where this goes. And in the mail to you is not an answer for this one. So you got to pick somewhere up here. Until I talk to you guys again soon, have a blessed Monday. Thank God for everything that we have. Give somebody a hug. Tell them you love them. Stroke your man-mane, because it's going to be full of that emu oil. And God bless you all. I am Tyson with Faithfully Bearded. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and the bell, and turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. You can also find us on Facebook, faithfullybearded.com, Instagram, and we have a podcast. Search Faithfully Bearded in your favorite podcast app.